Whether you're a professional designer or a hobbyist looking to bring your ideas to life, 3D printers are becoming a must-have tool in your arsenal. So if you're in search of some of the best 3D printing machines, then here are our top 5 recommendations for the best 3D printers for you.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Starting off, we have the Toybox 3D printer, which is a fantastic option for parents searching for a cost-effective 3D printer for their children. This printer is easy to use, making it a great choice for children who want to explore the world of 3D printing. It comes with dedicated app support, and it is compatible with a wide range of Android and iOS devices. While going through this app, you will also find a catalog of thousands of free toys, allowing children to print out their favorite designs without the need for any skills or experience. Additionally, new toys to the catalog are added every week, providing a steady stream of new designs for kids to explore. For those who want to get more creative, the app allows users to draw their own designs or import existing 3D models and print them out. This feature encourages children to experiment with their own designs and gives them the opportunity to bring their ideas to life. So yes, for a kid-friendly budget 3D printer, the Toybox 3D is the perfect choice. Moving on, we have the Anycubic Viper 3D printer, a great option for those who require a printer capable of producing large 3D models. Its auto-leveling feature ensures high-quality prints, while the spring steel magnetic platform makes it easy to remove models by simply bending them. Besides, the 32-bit motherboard provides fast and stable performance, and the printer's swift assembly process allows users to set it up quickly. Besides, the 4.3-inch touchscreen display features a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate through the various options. On top of that, it is compatible with both PLA and flexible filaments, allowing users to create different types of 3D models. Additionally, the printer's two-way heat dissipation ensures that it remains cool even during prolonged printing sessions. The Anycubic Viper 3D printer is an impressive machine that offers tons of features that make it an ideal choice for those looking to print out large 3D models. Next is the Creality K1 3D printer, a modern and advanced 3D printer that provides users with lots of printing capabilities. It has a dedicated Creality Cloud app that allows users to browse and select from over 200,000 plus 3D models. Besides that, the printer is equipped with a powerful 1.2 GHz CPU and runs on the Creality operating system, ensuring fast and efficient operation. Additionally, the aluminum alloy chassis provides durability and stability during printing, while the flexible build plate and auto-leveling features ensure high-quality prints. Not only that, the Core XY design of the printer makes it agile and swift, allowing for fast and precise printing. Additionally, the printer is equipped with 2 fans that provide instant model cooling, and it can achieve speeds of up to 600 mm per second, resulting in a smooth surface finish. Overall, the Creality K1 printer is an impressive machine that has tons of features to offer, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality 3D printer. Whether you're a professional designer or a hobbyist, the Creality K1 printer is an amazing choice that offers both reliability and flexibility. Coming up next is the Ultimaker S7 3D printer, a premium machine designed specifically for professional use. It is an ideal choice for those looking to print out large models thanks to its high build volume and advanced features. Besides that, it comes with a PEI-coated flexible build plate, which provides excellent adhesion and makes it easy to remove prints. Not only that, but the printer also features a dual extrusion print head with an auto nozzle lifting system, allowing for the creation of complex multi-material prints with ease. Also, the bed tilt compensation feature ensures that the printer is always level, resulting in high-quality prints every time. And lastly, the built-in air manager with a cooling fan and EPA filter ensure proper temperature, allowing for optimal performance and results. users who are looking for top quality premium 3D printing for professional usage should definitely check it out. With a range of amazing features, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus easily makes it a top choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. It features removable steel sheets, which allow for easy removal of prints and quick swapping between different materials. Also, the printer features automated mesh bed leveling, ensuring that prints are always level and high quality. Not only that, the silent drivers with 256 micro stepping provide smooth and quiet printing, while the power loss recovery feature ensures that prints are not interrupted in the event of a power outage. Additionally, the filament sensor auto-load and run-out detection features provide a hassle-free and efficient printing experience, allowing users to focus on their designs and creations. In short, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is a top-notch 3D printer that offers exceptional quality and reliability. So these were our picks for the 5 best 3D printers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below to let us know what you think. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.